Hey, I only had the starting stream up because I'm streaming to Twitch, Twitter, YouTube all at the same time, and I did not know what to expect. So yeah. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. How goes it? How goes it? Yeah, so I'm stuck at home on Thanksgiving. Which kind of works out. So we're having my wife's side of the family's Thanksgiving. I don't know, it's like an hour and a half away. But shucks, I'm on call. I better stay home. Oh no. So I'm home because I'm on call. So if something breaks, I'll have to just ditch this, I guess. But yeah, so I'm home on Thanksgiving. Yay, let's hang out. I'm going to work on some stuff. Finish up a pull request for something. Do I have... Yeah, if I come down here, get a PR list. Yeah, so we've got this view 66. I've got a pull request out here that I want to like finish up, and I've tested it and stuff. I just want to get it merged. And then I want to demo a bunch of stuff and just hang out. So yeah, I've got some repos and things. I've realized that like, I think I explain things as I'm streaming, like my dot files and how I automate like all of my config and stuff like that. But I realized like, I don't think a lot of people get it, which is fine. It just means I think I do a better job of explaining it than really I actually am. And I just kind of want to show off some of the stuff that I use. I don't know. I've shared some stuff with some nerds recently, and a lot of them have all kind of said the same thing. You should make some YouTube videos on this. So I'm like, all right, well, maybe I'll have a section of the stream that I like demo something, and I can turn that into a YouTube video. But we'll see. I don't like just making videos. So anyway, how was everyone's Thanksgiving? Hey, Second, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while as well. It's nice to see you. I also, so I'm streaming through a site called Restream, which, so my OBS streams to Restream, and then Restream processes it or whatever, and then ships it off to X, Twitch, and YouTube. Oh yeah, I'm on YouTube. So I have no idea how long the delay is. If it's like 10 seconds or whatever. I'm so used to like the chat being immediate. So if it's not, I apologize. I just want to get out there. So I'm trying this thing. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, Trash. Trash, how are you? Trash puppy. Lurking. That's fine. Yeah, I'm assuming I didn't even expect anyone to join because y'all should be with your family. What are you doing here? So yeah, I'm thankful for everyone that shows up. Heard you helping a mate of mine with Ansible. Which mate are you talking about? Terra hosting? Is that who you're talking about? Or who? I help a lot of people with Ansible, so I don't know who you're talking about. Anyway, yeah, all right. Let me just get rid of this crap. The King. Yeah, I was helping him out. Yeah, I don't know. I just like helping people out. We were on a call for like 3 hours working through stuff, and it was super great. Yeah, Trash Puppy, I was live like a week or so ago, but I used to stream twice a week in the evenings. I used to like 3 hours twice a week, very consistently, and that really just fell off. But I'm hoping to get back to something like that, maybe at least once a week or something. But anyway, yeah. All right, so I see that I've got a little like Twitch stream or Twitter stream down here. If I click into this, am I gonna hear myself? Okay, no. The thing that's weird about streaming to Twitter is it's not interactive. There's no Twitter chat, right? If I was only streaming to Twitter, it would just be a video, right? But YouTube has a chat and Twitch has a chat, obviously. So anyway, all right, the thing I'm going to walk through first is I want to fix this pull request for Mongo v7 for this thing. Let me pull up the project. I've got so many tabs up. Hang on. Where is... Okay, I can close that. Here it is. Let me close this. So, I guess I can just walk through... Let me walk through this project real fast. So this is Flux node install. Let me throw this up here. So this is Flux node install. And what it is it's a using pure Ansible, a way to deploy and configure all your Flux nodes just with Ansible. This chat is getting wonky. Weird. Yeah, so deploy all your Flux nodes with raw Ansible. And it just takes a little bit of config on your part. Gotta have Ansible installed. You have to have SSH access, and poof. You can deploy hundreds of nodes with one command. It's magic. So I kind of want to take some time later or now. I don't know. I kind of want to, I really want to finish this pull request, and then I can like demo from scratch what it would be like for an end user in video, you know, with a video, to clone this repo, configure some YAML, configure a host, and poof, you're off to the races. You can start using this. I've got docs. I've got a guide on here, getting started, walks you through it. Sometimes the video is just kind of nice. So I think that's what I'll do today is, I mean, essentially walk through this guide live, clone it myself, set up one of my nodes, you know, run this against one of my nodes. So, but I've got a pull request out here that lets us upgrade to Mongo 7, which I have added. I've pushed to. I kind of want to just look at this for another 4 seconds and make sure it all looks good. I've tested this already a few times. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. I feel like, okay, that's something I'm missing. I feel like I should clean this stuff up. So let me come out to here. All right, I'm on Mongo. So sorry for people that don't know what this is. I'm just gonna fix this up real fast. Mongo install. I kind of want... I guess I'll put it in the install. So what we were doing before, I don't know if I can show what this looked like before. Can I? Maybe I can. Flux ins priv. There we go. These vars should have it. Yep, right. So we were sort of hard coding these values. We had a... So the way apt works is like you add the repo for apt with a file. And we were creating a file specifically for Mongo 4.4. and a separate one specifically for Mongo, for Mongo 6 if you needed Mongo 6. And then obviously like the signing key for that repo and stuff. But the problem with this that I found out with this PR is the name of, not necessarily the version in the path, but like the name of the variable as well. So if we wanted to up to Mongo 7, this PR basically necessitates that we just like add more variables here. Add a list 7, a list 4. And so I thought, man, there's got to be a better way to do this. We actually have a need to hard code 4.4. If you're on a certain architecture, that's the newest Mongo you can run. But Mongo 6 is here just because it was the newest at the time. The newest that we used. So really, we just need to hard code the past ones and then have a variable that's just generic a file name that's generic just for the latest thing. So that's what my PR kind of created and cleaned up, was like one path, one list. And if we ever want to upgrade to Mongo 8, sweet. We just have to update the value, but we're not updating like variable names and things like that, right? So we still need to hard code 4. We still have a reason for this, but we clean up not having a mongo.path7 and a path6 and a mongo.list6 and list7, all that stuff. It's just, here's the current stuff. And if we ever have to hard code another one, we'll make a variable for that, but we don't need to hard code the new stuff. So my PR got rid of those variables and stuff, but on any nodes that have ran this already, they're going to have, let me come back here. They're going to have these files. They're going to have a file for this sources Mongo org 6.0. So I feel like I need a cleanup task for 6, just to like delete this file, basically. Let me do that. We would only care about this when we're installing. I'm gonna put this here. Uh-oh. Yeah, the stash, I'm keeping it. I kind of have to keep it. I kind of like invented a hashtag, stash dev. Stash dev. I'm the first person to ever use stash dev, so I gotta keep it. You're not a real dev unless you're a stash dev. All right, so I need a task up here for install that just cleans up that file. Maybe we remove this in the future. Add the apt repo. So here, name, clean up, deprecated repo file. I don't know. That's not what I want. So that file needs to be absent just for everyone. We don't need a file that's hard coded to 6.0. And this just needs to run all the time. I should make a comment here. This is just yeah, I mean, it doesn't. This is just something that, like, this just needs to exist here for a while. And as soon as everyone's ran this again and this file's cleaned up, this could just be removed. Not that there's a problem with this file being out there. It's just nice to clean up after yourself. But because we don't control, people like steal these scripts and run them themselves. So I don't have a way of controlling that, like, as of in 30 days, this will get cleaned up. And there's no way. People just steal this code and run it themselves. So we just needed this little cleanup task here. Git add That sounds professional. All right, all right. Where is... Oh, I put it over here. So that should get added to this pull request after the linter is done, of course. All right, I'm going to take a quick pause. I want to pull up YouTube and just see how this works. I've never streamed to YouTube before, so I kind of want to just make sure it's working. Is it working? Is anyone on YouTube? View on YouTube. Oh, there's a button for it. I am not currently live on YouTube. Well, what the heck? Why? Yeah, I'm just like not live. Oh, live. Create? Do I have to make this? I shouldn't have to. Restream is supposed to do this, so maybe I need to remove my YouTube.